2026. Your unstoppable victory is near. 2026 isn't just another year on the calendar, it is our aligned dream. This is the year where every lesson learned, every challenge overcome with the victory. With Ash platform crystallizes into monumental life-changing success. Mr. Ash Mufareh's new company isn't just a new venture. It's the gateway to the limitless. It's the ultimate arena waiting for the qualified, the ready, and the determined. This is the call to action we've been preparing for. The training awaits, the KYC process is your final step across the threshold. This is our invitation to step out of doubt and into a legacy of absolute certainty. A company with no limits demands members with no doubts. Let's claim it! 2026 is the year we move from preparation to permanent possession. Our victory is no longer a hope. It's a schedule. See you